Namaskar, I'm Himangi Bhatnagar, part of Sarvam Shakti. So we started this Saksham Shakti project 3 months ago and we've completed it. Basically, why we thought we should do this. After seeing the last batch go and meet the challenges of their new profession, internships, we realized that we need to equip them more strongly. Their base was already created, but to fast track it even better, we gave them this time. And as it is, when they finish their 12th, they have nothing else to do. Whiling away their time and going out in the world would be little difficult. So we decided to do this. The kids were doing 2 hours English with teachers, 2 hours of computer skill and 2 hours of yoga and nutrition knowledge even more than what already they know. So we told them to be very consciously writing about their food diaries, what they eat and what they're not supposed to eat. The best part is they did follow it diligently, and we were giving them supplements also like vitamin B12, multivitamin and vitamin D. Saksham means to be able to have that confidence to do it yourself. Or in another sense, we can say empowering oneself or themselves. Their English has become 100 times better. Computer skills have enhanced. 3 months, imagine every day, 6 days a week, 2 hours of yoga with theory and practical training. So that's what this project was all about.
My name is Khushi.
My name is Ashika.
My name is Choti.
My name is Gudiya.
My name is Manisha.
I'm Viveka.
My name is Kirtika.
I recently got selected for an internship at Westin Hotel. I used to get angry really fast, but now I have become calmer, more patient, and I keep trying. I know I'm still improving, but the change has started, and that's what really matters.
I used to get very nervous while speaking. I never had the confidence to speak in front of others. But now, I talk more. I speak up and take part in things. My daily routine is much better now. I don't skip days like I used to. And I understand time management a lot more.
I struggled a lot earlier with talking, confidence, everything. But now I have understood the importance of putting my heart into what I do. I speak up now. I don't hold myself back anymore. And doing this made me realize what real work feels like.
Because of this project, I have changed completely, internally, externally. I have learned so many things. I became punctual.
Every day I learn something, English, a new word, new thinking, new sentence. So I push myself.
The changes are incredible, of course. There are many changes because back then I used to just do yoga, but till now I have learned many things like yoga theory, about nutrition, about computer, most important part, and some basic principles of life like responsibility, consistency, punctual and discipline. In mindset, the changes are of course about the timings. The time doesn't matter because this time I'm investing on myself, and if somebody or I am investing time on myself, we should not look at the time.
I love this project because I get to know about many things, like how to talk about things with other people and how to talk politely and with love.
I always knew a bit of English, but now I have become fluent. It feels like my second language. I'm being more confident even when speaking in front of people. And yes, I also learned how to stay focused for long working hours. That was new for me.
Earlier, I was quite shy and stayed mostly quiet. But now, I have become more vocal, expressive and friendly with people. I have learned how to carry myself better.
I was good at yoga, but after 3 months of regular theory and practical classes, now I'm much better at it.
I want to become rich. My father is doing a lots of things for us, so it's my duty to do a single thing for him.
I was already learning yoga and computer before, but during this time, I have become much better at both. I feel more confident when I use a computer.
I have seen changes in my mood and health. Now I feel more energetic. I haven't had any junk food for the last 3 months and I'm proud of myself.
I also maintained my food diary and followed my diet diligently. I look forward to eating healthy and continuing my food journey.
Shakti is everything for me, learning, growing and making my own name.
Shakti means give strength to other person also or ourselves also.
So we are happy today that and grateful that these kids understood the need of it, and it wasn't easy that 8 hours every day to develop their soft skill, to get those grace and etiquettes and manners. Completely, one cannot make out that these kids are from those backgrounds. And we're grateful to the parents also for letting them come. So overall, the project has been worth every bit and thankful the teachers for giving us so much time.